fan comes on, what's happened? What's the first thing that's supposed to happen?
When they induce
Pressure switch.
pressure switch, huh?
Exactly right. It makes the pressure switch. And then what does it do? Not the gas valve. Something happens that has to happen before gas comes on.
The furnace igniter.
Igniter comes on. Alright, what comes on after the igniter? The gas valve opens. The gas valve opens. Burners. Flames on. Then what happens then? Flames enter, picks up the temperature, makes the circuit. It starts the time delay. Blower comes on.
Sheesh. Yep.
Good job.
Man, great job, brother. Great job. Hell yeah. He did that.
What's some of your safeties that you have on the furnace that it goes through before it brings on the induced draft motor? What? Let me switch and roll out switches. Good job. Good job. Alright. Y'all got that? Y'all remember that?
Yeah, man. I mean, we got it right here. It's just the sequence operation.
I have a class that's about to graduate.
Yep.
And I took them out there to look at a package unit. And they didn't know what a rollout switch was, where the high limit was. None of that.
Yep. Hey man, subscribe to my YouTube. Hey, you said a high limit?
Rollout switch looks like?
No. A rollout switch, Rollout switch. What does it do?
Rolls up.
I don't believe. Sense temperature? Man, so is that what we've been talking about? Isn't that the high limit that senses temperature? Or?
Well, that senses temperature too.
As well, right? All right.
Yeah, also has like an auxiliary limit that's on the blower.
Different components,
Right.
different things. All right. Yeah, there's a lot of components to this.
So, I don't want to put you up to the test. Let's go outside.
Let's do it.
I'm afraid to take y'all outside.
Yeah, we all right, man. We big dog. Boom.
Remember we went over blower motors?
Two-stage.
Alright, we got an ECM. What do y'all think it is?
I can't even remember the names.
Electronica commuted motor.
Motor, okay. What do y'all say it is?
I'm gonna go ahead and rock with bro. He's proving himself.
He said two different ones.
Nah, he said ECM, electronic commuting motor.
I mean, I wouldn't say it would be anything else because I don't see nothing else hooked up to it.
Oh yeah.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah, we electrically connected for sure. No gas lines anywhere. Where the gas lines at?
You're right. He's right. It's an ECM. What's the other motor that we could have in this?
How many different motors is it?
Two.
Two, really. There's actually three. A belt driven,
L driven. Oh,
a PSC, and an ECM. What's a PSC?
propane or
No, it's not shit.
I don't know. PCM, PSM, PCM.
What's the main difference between a PSC motor and ECM?
Electronic and gas. That's got to be the nah.
The belt one's gas? The belt one's gas?
The voltage.
Regardless, they can have gas, I guess.
All motors have to have electricity.
All have to
they're
have
all
electricity.
What does he say? I said gas though.
Yep.
You said passive?
Permanent split capacitor?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Permanent split capacitor. All right.
You see a capacitor mounted to it?
PSM, you said?
PSC.
Yeah.
PSM.
And the other is an ECM. You see that module on the back of the motor? You see that motor? And you can see that ECMs on condenser fan motors as well. It's not just blowers.
Yeah.
Okay? They can be on the condenser fan as well. When you see an ECM motor like that, what do you automatically know about that motor. Remember I told you as service techs we got to know, you got to remember.
Damn.
You have 208, 230 single phase coming to the unit.
And that's why I was talking about it.
Alright.
Double phase.
So what is that motor?
Two-phase load?
Huh?
Two-phase?
Three-phase.
It's single phase and three phase. There's no two phase.
So it's a 3-phase motor.
It's a three phase motor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it AC or DC?
I'm gonna go.
DC.
All right.
It converts it over from a single
Mm-hmm.
phase, 208, 230, single phase, to, it's actually like 208 to like 400 volt DC, three phase.
All right.
Okay? And that's how we ramp up the signal, ramp it down. It changes the signal. So you got to know that your compressors, those will be DC voltage as well. Like your ductless split systems and stuff, you have the inverter on those, and it's the same thing. Those are three-phase motors, okay? You buy a single-phase compressor, it ain't gonna work. So whenever you see the ECM or you have an inverter, you gotta know what that is. Alright? What is that module right there? Which we really ain't got into
Not
air
this, right?
conditioning, so y'all may not know this. That clear box,
Clear box.
what is that?
That's a control board. Gotta be the
What
control board.
type of control board? What is that for?
Furnace control board, right? Am I tripping?
It's not for the furnace.
Oh, the integrated furnace control. IFC. Is that the IFC?
No.
Damn.
There's
I
a.
don't know.
Did y'all take the panels off over there? Let's
Where
go.
the panels at? So what's this right here again? This is this a transformer or
No,
or is
that's
that
the wiring for the ECM.
that's just the wire? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So where's the capacitor then? I don't see the capacitor.
It don't have one.
Okay, I
It's
thought
the
you.
ECM.
Man, I thought. all
ECM don't got
right,
capacitors.
man, shoot, I got. All right.
PSC.
You don't really need to take this panel off. You just take this panel off here. Just the two screws on the bottom, and you should be good. Whenever you work on a system, always get your model serial number. That's how you track everything. Like I said, hey, he come out there, he worked on that unit, now it's messed up. You go out there, it's not the unit that you worked on, it's a different system. The only proof you have is model and serial number. Alright, make sure it's on your invoice, okay? I'm going to try and, over the weekend, create some invoices, and I'm going to get you guys to start filling out an invoice, do a model serial number, the name brand, how we have to do it out in the field, okay? So, we have to do it on every call, alright? So, I'll try and get that for you guys for next week. Alright, the main thing, we got the furnace opened up. Tell me what our components are. What's the first thing that happens?
Call for heat.
Call for heat. So that's our thermostat. Where's our thermostat wire in at?
Thermostat wire in. The thermostat's wiring in over here, right?
Yes, it's
It's somewhere over there.
the board, so down there. Over here.
Yep, one of those.
That's where your terminal strip, where you wire your thermostat, right?
Mm-hmm.
We call for heat. What's heat? What are we using?
We using what? Oh yeah. Why?
No,
Oh.
no, RW.
RW.
R&W.
RW.
Correct.
Yeah,
So
I'm
that brings
tripping.
our heat on, right? We're calling for heat, right?
Yep.
So what's the first thing that happens? Where's the
Inducer
inducer?
pin.
Is he
That's
right?
that thing that spins. Yeah.
Good?
I'd agree.
What's our next step?
Pressure switch verification.
Pressure switch. Where's the pressure switch?
Right there.
Right there.
Right.
Cool.
Got the little hose coming from it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, what happens next? We make the pressure switch, right? Sends it to the board, and then what happens after that?
Flames.
Flame on.
Yeah, igniters.
Igniter. Where's our igniter at? How do you know what's what? And what type of igniter is it? How many types of igniters are there?
I think we got two, right? Yep, two. I don't know which ones are.
There's one that's gas that has a standing pilot, which on our furnaces you won't see it much at all anymore. That was like old school. You will see water heaters that have thermocouples or space heaters that have thermocouples, but mass majority in our trade, you're going to have two primary types. Okay, and what's the two types?
Oh.
What did we have in the classroom?
Man, I don't.
We had gas. This is gas as well. But there's two types of
Igniters.
Spark igniter.
Spark
What's the
igniter.
other one?
I don't know.
The ones we have in the classroom. All the units in the classroom is the other. We have a boiler that's spark ignition in the classroom, but we haven't went over that yet.
I ain't got no clue. I ain't gonna lie.
Like hot
Yes,
rod
you-
or something? Like
You're close. Hot what? What?
hot ignite?
Hot surface igniter.
Hot surface igniter, man. Okay.
It's like a glow plug.
Yep.
So that's our two main types.
I do remember that.
So we have spark ignition and hot surface igniter. What do we have here?
I'm guessing a hot surface igniter.
I would say spark.
Spark. How
Wow.
can you tell?
Yeah, why would you say that?
You don't have that shape.
You got the prong. And if you follow that wire, that orange wire,
Mm-hmm.
follow it where it goes.
It's going from there to over here.
Right there. I'm just kind of help you out a little bit, but
Yeah. It's right here. I don't know what that is though.
that's where it gets its spark from.
Okay.
And on a hot surface igniter, you kind of really, I'd say no. On your igniters, and especially your hot surface igniter, you can't use just any wire. It has to be rated for that voltage. It's like 10,000 volts. It's not just any wire. Okay, you got to make sure you have the right spark igniter. Okay, but you're correct. It's a spark igniter. What happens? Your igniter comes on, right? What comes on then?
The gas
valve.
Yeah.
Where's the gas valve?
It's somewhere over here, right? Where the gas valve at?
I caught you.
Where the gas valve?
Right here.
Yeah, somewhere over there.
Right
huh?
here.
Okay.
That's the gas valve. Alright, so our gas valve opens up, right?
Alright. Somewhere down there.
So our gas comes on, it hits a hot spark ignition, right?
Mm-hmm.
What happens then?
Ignites.
It goes.
Ignites, and
Yeah.
then
Flame sensor.
it goes across all your burners, hits your flame sensor, right?
Flame sensor.
So our flame sensor senses the temperature.
Mm-hmm.
What's it do then?
It turns on something. What's it turn on? Turn on the
It
blower
activates
on a
the
delay.
Time delay on the blower.
Yep.
And then what happens?
Blower comes on.
Yeah. Blow on delay.
Now we got heat.
Time delay. Yeah.
And it's blowing.
Yeah.
It has a time delay, then your blower comes on. You're
And
good
we
to
good
go
to go.
until what?
Yeah. Until we reach temperature. Until we reach temp.
Until
Yeah.
we're satisfied and shuts down.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't have any safeties, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Speaking of safeties, where's our safeties that we have on this?
Mm-hmm.
We have several safeties on this.
Mm-hmm.
I see the rollout switch.
Right
Mhm.
here. Okay. Let's roll out. Where's our other one?
Take this off?
You can. You may have to take these two screws out up top if you do. That one and this one. This panel's kind of a bugbear to get on and off, but
You got to say with the high limit switches.
What's the high limit switch?
It's like wrong. It's like what's the thing? Don't it have like a gold thing going from it?
Oh,
remember what
that,
your high limit
this right
switch
here?
looks like?
Yeah. Don't it usually have like the gold? Don't it usually have like the little gold thing like this coming from it?
Mm-mm.
You talking about? You said high limit?
That's your air conditioning side right there.
Yeah, we looking for a high limit too, though.
Where's your high limit?
I don't know. We got the board over here. I think
It ain't over
we got a capacitor down there. I think. What we got? This transformer. This is damn. This is something. That's
We
an
really
AC
haven't
thing.
went over air conditioning, so I ain't too worried about y'all getting this section yet.
Alright.
But
It's not the red hose.
Is this it?
Nah,
No,
that's
that's the
the
pressure
pressure switch.
Pressure switch. Okay, that's the pressure switch.
How limit
Right.
switch like a metal? Like, is it?
I'm looking for that board that we've been working on with like the heating strip and stuff. Where that board at?
Gas valve.
Yeah, this the gas. Don't it? It can look like the gas valve, right?
Yeah, let me. Yeah,
think so.
let me get over there.
yep,
You found it?
got it.
Where you at?
Good job.
What?
What was it? Oh, hell.
What is that?
That ain't how they
That's
look.
the high limit.
That's the high limit?
Yeah.
How you know?
Oh,
I ain't never seen one look like that.
You guess.
There's one in the classroom.
Yeah, but it's the same color as the red. So I would assume that connects to that somehow.
Oh, okay, because
Your
it's
high
coming
limit
from the
comes in
from the
different
wire,
shapes
from that
and
same wire.
sizes.
Hell
We got
yeah.
one more
Does this
limit that you gotta find.
one connect to that low one over there too?
Hmm?
Does this connect with that one over there?
Yep. And it connects to another one.
Follow the
Where's your-
wires, guys. Follow
They
the
all-
wires.
They all gonna be orange wires.
I'm telling you. Come on
So I
now.
guess you gotta follow the rest of the orange wires.
Yeah.
And I told you in the classroom where it was.
Oh.
Almost.
Over there, on top of this, on top of the blower.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What is it?
Exactly.
on top of the blower.
What is it though?
So now I'm on
It's another switch.
High limit too.
Oh, just another high limit. You know?
Always follow your wires.
That's lit. Yep. Always follow the wires.
Okay, that makes sense. Then.
One thing I will show y'all, like I said, we hadn't done air conditioning,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm not expecting y'all to know this. But this clear module that's in here,
Yep. What about it?
that is new to the industry.
Okay.
What that is we have that flammable refrigerant now, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's like a leak detection. If it senses that it has a refrigerant leak in this system, we don't want electric motors and all that kind of stuff coming on and causing a fire, right?
Correct.
So what it does is if it senses that there's a refrigerant leak, it's going to shut your heating or your cooling down.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to bring on your fan
Like take it out of the
so it
system
don't
and
build
then-
up
Okay.
into the equipment.
Yeah.
So if you have a spark or something like that, it don't go off.
Boom.
So if you have a problem with your heating or your cooling, remember if it's a new refrigerant, R32 or R454B, I would say R290, but that's usually refrigeration right now. You really won't see it in the air conditioning side yet. But keep in mind, that can lock you out as well as our safeties. Okay? So if you see that board, you know what that board's for. Okay? Make sense?
So it's another
Yes, sir.
safety switch.
Safety, exactly.
Another safety.
So that would be that was the third one, right? Or the fourth one?
Yep. That's kind of your fourth, but your safety there, your high limit, your rollouts, that's your safeties. So y'all did good. I'm proud of you. Y'all did better in my class this morning, and they're about to
They're
graduate.
about to graduate, huh?
But see, the problem is, y'all are learning this stuff now. As you go through, y'all gonna get thrown a bunch of stuff. You're gonna be learning more stuff, and CFM and all that. You may forget as well.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I'm trying to reiterate, keep it fresh in your mind, show you different setups, because not all furnaces are the same. As you see, this is completely different than what's in there. But did you know how to check for stuff? Even though it looks different,
Yeah.
you know what the components do, right? You know the sequence of operation, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know what's supposed to happen. Does it matter what it looks like?
Nope.
No.
Follow
you know
them
what's
wires.
supposed to happen.
Yep. Yeah.
And just about all manufacturers have the same sequence of operation.
Mm-hmm.
You may have low fire, high fire, you know, your W1, W2.
Yep.
It's going to work the same way. It's going to call for W1, W2, some's time delayed. So different manufacturers is going to control it in different ways, but you have the basics. You know basically what's supposed to happen, the fundamentals. You know what the safeties look like. You know where they're located, right?
Yes, sir.
So just whenever you see a new setup, don't freak out. You just take what you already know and apply it to what you're working on.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because like air conditioning, you're going to see evaporator comes in all different shapes and sizes.
Mm-hmm.
Does it do the same task?
Yep.
Absolutely.
Same task.
Are we still looking for superheat?
Yep.
Yes. Are we still checking for subcooling on our condenser? Yes. Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Is it going to be different levels? No, it's going to maintain the same.
Mm-hmm.
No matter what refrigerant you are working on, don't pay attention to pressure, convert it over to temperature, and maintain your superheat and your subcoolants. And a lot of times on the inside of the panel, it'll tell you what it should be.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yep.
So, don't get bogged down on what it looks like. You know what your knowledge is? You haven't got trained on the AC side yet. But, like I said, don't get bogged down on what you're working on because it's going to come in different shapes and sizes, but you know what it's supposed to do, or you're going to know what it's supposed to do.
Yep.
Okay?
For sure.
So just keep it simple and
Rock
take
out.
what you already know and apply it to what you're working on. Don't be afraid to touch it. It's already broke, so you can't tear it up. See what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So, you still gonna call for R and W? I'm sorry. So, you still gonna do the R and W for your heat.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be the same scenarios. Still gonna have thermostats.
I got.
What's up, man?
Doing it.
Does our thermostats come in different shapes and sizes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And you'll see when you're dealing with refrigeration, it's high voltage, it's not low voltage, but it does the same thing. It gets a certain temperature, it calls for heat, or to call for cool.
Mm-hmm.
Same difference. So just keep it simple. That's all you can do. Clear as mud.
You're getting there, man.
All
For
right.
sure.
What's that thing right behind y'all, right there in the corner?
That's a furnace. That's a that's for plumbing.
It's a water tower, cooling tower.
Cooling tower.
Yeah. So what's in basic words? Yep. But what else cools? On a chiller, what is that to a chiller? Hmm? A what? It's got a motor.
That's
But
what gets
motor is
cold.
that?
That's what cools everything down. Like,
It cools it down.
so what is that to the cooler? That's the damn,
Hmm?
like the condenser or something.
Exactly.
Yep.
That's a fancy condenser.
Yep.
The water comes in on the top. We're pulling air across the bottom, pulling it up through the fill. When the air comes across the fill, it's cooler than the water temp. It cools that water down and discharges the heat out the top. That's all it is. It's just a fancy condenser.
Mm-hmm.
We're using water instead of refrigerant.
But it's in bigger units or like,
Oh yeah.
yeah, big
That
units.
is kind of like just a display.
Uh-huh.
That cooling tower may be the size of your car.
Yeah, that's the big thing. Shit, not my car though. You feel me? I ain't got no big body or nothing, but you feel me?
They come in
I
all
see
different shapes and
sizes.
sizes. You'll see them on
Yeah.
hospitals and stuff like that. But that's all it is a
Mhm.
fancy condenser.
Yep, hell yeah. That's lit.
And we'll
Good.
go over chillers and all that stuff later on. But just to show you, a condenser looks different than what that condenser is on this unit. It does the same thing.
Same thing. Oh yeah. Alright.
Good?
We good, man.
You can tell it's a 90 as well. You got PVC.
Got PVC on the 90.
What's another difference you can tell it's a high
The flame is on the bottom instead of the top. Or the flame is on the top instead of the bottom.
The burners are on the top,
The
right?
burners are on the top. Yep.
Listening.
How else?
Shoot. And so since the burner's on the top, that mean that this right here is on the bottom.
It's on the bottom.
You got something else, right?
That's the first way to tell. It's 3 different ways to tell.
And there's another reason.
I don't know.
There's something else.
So we got, this will be PVC. This is gonna be
That is on top.
on the
The
bottom.
burners are on top. This
Oh,
is PVC.
This PVC. The burner's on top.
The burners are on top.
I don't even know what this is.
Lower.
The blower's on the bottom. That's what I just said.
What, the inducer?
Inducer fan blower or motor?
What's it made out of?
What is made out of plastic too, huh? Yep, not
That's
out of
made
metal.
out of plastic, not metal, right?
Yep.
What else do we have?
I don't know, man.
What's that right there on the bottom?
I don't know.
Remember? It has a drain on it.
That's the what? That's where the water condenses at.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what it's called though.
And if you look down through here,
And shit. What? That's the evaporator coil,
nope.
or what's it called?
What? The condenser?
That's not the condenser. This isn't. This is the AC. This is heating. This is a furnace.
Yep.
So
That.
that's what. That's the. What's that, like a heating coil or something?
What you call it? The heat exchange.
Heat exchanger.
Heat exchanger.
Yeah.
A second stage heat exchanger, right?
Second stage
You
heat
had it
exchanger.
right to start off with.
These ain't my gloves.
How you know it's the second stage though?
You had it right the first time.
You talking to you?
Set the top.
You had it right the first time.
What you mean?
Hook your top in first.
How you know it's the second stage?
You'll have to kind of
Because
force
it's at
it
the
up a
top.
little
That's the
bit,
last stage, right?
and then push in.
And it's
No shit, I don't know. How do you know if it's a second stage or if it's a 2-stage or like or what's the other one? 3-stage or 1-stage?
A gas, a 90% furnace always has a secondary heat exchanger.
Okay.
That's what that coil is on the bottom.
Right.
That's where you get your water from.
Okay. All right.
That's why you got a drain on the bottom.
Hell yeah. All right, bet.
And if your system's tripping out on high limit,
Uh-huh.
your filters are clean, your blower's clean, you can't figure out why it's not running, it's tripping out on the high head
Mm-hmm.
or high limit, check that coil.
Mm-hmm.
How do you check that coil? Well, you gotta inspect it, but how do you inspect it?
Gotta take this thing apart.
You gotta take the blower out
Yeah. All right.
on the bottom, and then look up.
Yeah. Yeah.
You'll see the bottom side is the entering side of that coil.
Doesn't it normally have like an arrow? To know what direction?
It does have a airflow on it, but that's where it's going to be dirty, right there at the discharge of that blower. Okay, if they got a lot of pets and stuff like that,
Mm-hmm.
they may have run the unit without filters in it.
Damn.
So that coil will stop up before your evaporator will stop up. You remember your evaporator's up top, but that's going to stop up first because that's your first coil that you come to. So remember, that can cause you problems.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So I'm just kind of